So if you're looking to grow garlic this year and you didn't put your garlic in the ground in the fall, right before the frost, right now is when you need to start getting it ready. You could still grow garlic. It'll grow good. It won't be as big as if you started in the fall, but right now is the time you need to start getting your garlic ready. So what we have is we have some organic garlic, regular garlic you buy from the store. We'll break them up into pieces. We have our organic seeding mix, and we have our trays here. So we're gonna fill these with the dirt, and we're gonna put our garlic in here, and that's it. Okay, so now we're planting the garlic. Kinsley's gonna show you how to put it in. Which way does the bottom end go in? There you go. So when planting garlic, when you peel it, the bottom that was on the garlic, so this part right here, what it was all attached to, goes down. So we'll put it in one of the holes. Good job. Just light, loose. Then when we're done, we'll just come back and fill it in. Now that we got the garlic in here, right, we don't need to make it that tight, just nice and loose in there. These aren't that deep. The garlic's going down about there. All we're trying to get established is the roots. When these grow, the tops are gonna get really high. We're just worried about getting those roots established right now so we can put them in the ground. Right now, we're just gonna come back by and loosen it so it's level to this. It's okay if these are sticking out of the ground a little bit, or out of the pot. That should be perfectly fine. Right, Kinsley?
Right.
Alrighty. So now we put the light layer of dirt on top. I'm just going back by and making sure the bulbs are sticking straight up and just kind of lightly packing the soil around it. We don't need to put any more soil on top. We don't need to compress this down at all. When we put the water on it, it'll kind of help push the dirt down. So we're just coming back by, just making sure that those points are sticking up and that they're kind of firmly in there, but not too much. And just like I said, I put my fingers around the bulb in there, kind of just go around and just push the dirt down a little bit. That's it. There's no need to do anything else. We'll water it, put the top on, and go from there. Okay, so the last step is to water. Use the sprayer with a nice mist over it. We do not want to be very hard on top of these seeds after we just put them in here. They're very loose. They have no roots. You can't even tell a seed between the dirt. I ended up planting some onions with my garlic, so I have some red onions and some yellow onions here. So yeah, just do a very, very light mist over them. Put your lid on and get them underneath the growing lights. So I got them underneath the growing light. About a couple feet above it is all you need. It's good here. Tomorrow when we look at this, there should be so much steam and moisture in here. Key about growing lights, I haven't said it yet, but your plants need to be very moist. They need to be watered a lot. The growing lights will dry them out a lot. So yeah, I went by and watered a lot of my stuff today. So but yeah, make sure when your stuff is underneath your growing lights that you're watering them enough. How do you tell? Just go to it. If it looks dry, water it. I try to water them about once a day. But yeah, here you go. Here's our garlic and onions. We will see how they go.